Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a special guest.
Max Pikachu here, her cousin.
This is my little cousin Ryan.
Yeah.
Tell them a little bit about you and your makeup skills.
I have zero makeup skills whatsoever, and I have a YouTube channel where I do little puppet sketches. So yeah, it's gonna be good.
Check out his channel, subscribe to him. The link will be in the description box below.
Die on them haters. Alright, are you ready?
Yup.
First we're gonna start with the makeup, which you never should do. But I'm gonna do it anyway.
Oh my god.
I don't have to go into teeth, I don't need to die, so come on. Oh, sorry!
So what look are you going
Okay, you're alright. Joker. Okay, you look like that. Let me just even it out. There. Actually look kind of not good at all. Okay. Let's see. Second of all, we're gonna go.
Wait, tell them what product you were using and the name of it.
I was using MAC lipstick, but it looks like
The colors on the bottom of it.
Whirl. Yeah, best lipstick ever. Okay.
This is like more of an everyday look? Or like, would you say?
This is more of a, if you go to a convention and you feel stupid, just do this. Gonna get the bird's egg.
The bird's egg?
Yes, chicken egg.
And what product are you using?
I have no idea. I'll tell you at the end. Just keep it like that. Make it look like you just got into a fight with Sandman. Hop, squad.
Wow, fantastic. I should go to work like this, honestly. We're like, hey guys, what's up?
Alright.
My little cousin did my makeup today, and
the product was called Stay Matte. Stay Matte. And flavor is wee transparent. Are you doing it right? So what you got to spoil it? But no, you want to be relaxed. Oh
my god, guys, look at what he just did. Hold on, let me show y'all.
Alright.
Look at how he dug into the product and just literally like all that.
I don't know how to do makeup. Alright, so this Lumi True Match, I don't know what this is. Is this spray?
You just pull it out. No, it's not spray, it's liquid. It's gonna drip. So you have to like blend it in. Yeah, like that.
Should I just put it in?
Yeah, like that.
So white.
Oh my god. What?
Get some. Oh god, you look so weird. Wait, is it all gonna dry off and make it look fabulous?
Yup.
Alright, I'm doing this just for comedic stuff. I need some white makeup.
You need some what?
White makeup, like white stuff to do. Oh, we just got a hair tattoo. Okay, I guess that's not how it works.
Dust? He's calling it dusting. Or dusting me.
Oh god, it's horrible.
Oh lord, I'm gonna have to wash all
Does
my
it feel
makeup
weird?
products. Yeah, it feels freaking itchy.
Oh, I'm sorry. You should have told me this. I would have stopped.
No, it's okay.
Is this okay?
Yeah. But you can use my contour and contour my cheekbones. Just contour my cheekbones. Snatch my cheekbones. Like first date type of
A
look.
little bit more.
Like if I was going on a first date. Like, you know.
Well, we're gonna need a couple more on your cheeks. Do you not know, do we? What the heck is this?
It's for your eyebrows.
Your bushy eyebrows? Okay.
Oh my
Nothing
goodness.
is going on. I see nothing.
What? More lipstick?
Just a little douse. Just boop, boop. Alright, there.
One's for your eyelashes.
Ooh.
You just touched it.
Wait, this is for your eyelashes?
Yeah.
I thought the other one was for your eyelashes.
No, it's for your eyebrows. You have potential for a makeup artist. You're not gonna do the other eyelash?
They look exact. Oh no, they don't. Close your eyes.
What did you say?
I said they're going up like a roller coaster.
They're going up like a roller coaster.
Okay, wait. I thought mascara was a thing that you put like right here.
Yeah, on your eyelashes.
Yeah, but I thought it was like a paint. Okay. You don't feel.
What the?
There. I'm trying to find that phrase. I don't really look that bad. But I need to do your eyebrows.
What does the fox say?
No one likes this meme. No one likes this meme. There, you look like a fiery fox, and you're not hot.
A fiery fox?
Yes, I did. Oh. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna make it a little bit dark.
A little bit? You went to the darkest shade in the past.
Yeah, you can get revenge for me in my channel.
What would you call this eye look?
Oh, I'd call it going to space. Hold on, I'm not finished.
Going to space?
Just put a little color. Coats and then Can I just say I'm having fun with this? Ooh, look at your eye.
Looks good.
Did I do a good job?
It looks good, yeah.
What, right here?
Like on the edge of my eye. But give me wings so I can fly away to California. And get out of this.
Don't look. It's a Japanese sign, and that's the wing. You have SpongeBob. Hold on, let me do something.
What?
Let me do something else. Oh my god. Stop. Look like you look good right now. It's gonna be around here. And around here. Just no.
He's putting on Fenty Beauty Primer.
Okay. I like the bathroom one.
Alright guys, so I guess this completes the makeup look that Ryan did on me. Now let's zoom in on my face so you guys can really get the whole look.
That ring though, that's on your other eye, not that eye, the other eye.
Saying I look cute, like
I can do your makeup.
he did a really good job on the foundation and the lipstick. The foundation looks really, really good. The lipstick, the wing, this eye look. I mean, just everything. You know what? I wish it wasn't snowing right now because I would go out in public like this and I will ask people like, do you like my makeup? Do you think I'm good at makeup?
Do I look pretty?
Yeah.
Go up to Mom's and do that.
Oh my god, I'm gonna go up to my grandma. She's gonna be like, what happened to you?